Hi students, have you ever experienced what happens when a bus suddenly starts to move? Yes, the passengers fall backward. This can be explained by Newton's first law of motion. Let us perform some activities to verify Newton's first law of motion. Place a coin on a card covering a glass. When we move the card slowly, the coin moves along with the card. If we flick the card suddenly, the card moves away, but the coin stays at rest and falls into the glass. It is due to inertia of rest of the coin. In caroms, when we hit the bottom of a pile of coins, only the bottom coin comes out while the remaining coins stay at rest. Put a box on a smooth cloth, pull the cloth away in a single fast motion. The box remains at rest. When we shake the branches of a tree, branches move, but the leaves, fruits, flowers tend to stay in their places and fall down once they are detached. Newton's first law states that an object continues to stay at rest or uniform motion unless some external force acts on it. It is because of inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist any change in its state of rest or uniform motion. In all these activities, we verified inertia of rest or static inertia.